Hello, medical aspirants of United Kingdom and Europe. I'm Vijay Singh, and I'm with my next video on Ucat quantitative reasoning. So here comes the first question. And this question is on body mass index. So what do you need to know what is a body mass index. So let's try to understand what is the meaning of body mass index. Well, body mass index is a measurement of a person's weight in relation to the height. It offers an inexpensive and simple method of categorizing people according to their BMI values so that we can screen people's weight category and indicate their potential risk for health conditions. Now, how is BMI calculated? Well, in order to calculate BMI, we divide the weight of the person by the square of the height. And the weight needs to be in kg and the height needs to be in meters. So let's look at the first question. So the body mass index is the measure of body fat based on weight and height and applies to adult men and women. It is used to make comparisons and predict about weight and health. It ranges from below 18.5 to 40. Someone with a BMI of between 25 to 30 is defined as overweight, and someone with a BMI over 30 is defined as obese. So the question is the percentage of urban women who are obese. So you need to look at this table and try to find out what percentage of urban women are obese. So look at this table. So look at here, what percentage of urban women are obese? And you have option 3.2, option A, that's 3.2, B 17.1, 17.2, 20.4, and 23.0. Now, if you look at urban women and the percentage of urban women who are obese, that would be over BMI over 30 to 40 or over 40. So if you add these values, here you have 17.2 and 3.2. So if you add these values, you should be getting 20.4 and your answer is 20.4. So option D is your right answer. All right. So here comes the detailed solution, where you have 17.2 plus 3.2, which is 20.4. So option D is the right answer. All right, here comes the next question. The percentage of ruler men who are neither overweight nor obese. So you need to find what percentage of ruler men who fall in the neither in the overweight nor in the obese category. So neither in the overweight or in the obese category. So you have ruler men. So look here. So this is these are the people who have BMI 18.5 or under and 18.5 to 25. So you see these are the two categories that will fall not as overweight or obese. So if you add both of them, you would get approximately, you would get 30%. So option C is the right answer, 30%. So here comes the detailed solution. The percentage of ruler men who are neither overweight nor obese, that's 20%, that's 30%, option C. Next, the percentage of women who are either overweight or obese exceeds those who are not by. So first of all, percentage of women, so look at the percentage of women. So this is the total percentage of women who are either overweight or obese. So women who are either overweight or obese, those would be 32.6, 20.1, and 2.9. So add all these numbers, 32.6, 20.9, 20.1, and 2.9. When you add them, you would get 55.6. And those who are not would be 42.4 plus 2. So that is 44.4. So if you add these three numbers, you would get 55.6 here. And this would be 44.4. When you subtract them, you would get 11.2. So 11.2 C is the right answer. So here comes the detailed solution. You add those numbers, 32.6 plus 20.1 and 2.9, which is 55.6. And the one who are not obese, that would be 42.1, 42.4 plus 2, which is 44.4. You subtract them and you have C as your right answer. Next, a small English city has a male population of 56,000 assuming the population of the city is typical of the urban population as a whole. Remember, urban population as a whole, how many men in the city are likely to be obese? So we'll start with the urban. So if you look at the urban category, you will have 16.4% who are overweight and 0.7% who are obese. So if you add these two, who are likely to be obese, yeah. So if you add these two, you get 17.1, and you need to find 17.1 multiplied by, or 17.1 multiplied by 56,000, I guess. Here is the 56,000. So 17.1% of 56,000. And here comes your detailed solution. So 17.1% of 56,000, that's 9,576. So you have option C as your right answer. If I go here, option C, 9,576. All right, that's all for today. Keep watching my next video.